food has outpaced smoking as the number one killer in the world. It kills 11 million people a year. 11 million. It's the biggest killer in the United States. Why does that happen? It's because our policies are driven in large part by industry, by the food industry, the ag industry, the chemical seed companies, and those are the companies that are profiting. This is the biggest industry in the world. It's over $16 trillion when you aggregate all the food companies, the fast food companies, the agricultural, chemical, and seed companies, and this is an enormous force that's driving our political process. And so a lot of the policies we have, either by, just kind of misalignment of our expectations and incentives of what happened, or because of deliberate actions in the food companies, have actually driven a food system that's making us sick. And we have an illness industrial complex. We have a system that's driving disease, and everybody's profiting from it. And no one's addressed that before. And this is why we have the system. So we're supporting commodity crops, wheat, corn, and soy that get turned into ultra-processed food, which is basically chemical science projects that our bodies are not used to. They're not technically defined as food. Food is something that helps, nourish a human being, supports life and growth. These things don't. They do the opposite. They cause disease. And so we sort of slowly get into this system where we're the enormous rise in chronic diseases over the last 50 years. Tucker, when I graduated medical school, the cost for healthcare in America was $500 billion. Now it's almost 10 times that in my lifetime. When I graduated from medical school, there was not a single state with an obesity rate over 15%. Now there's not one under 30, and almost all are over 40. 42% of Americans are obese. We've seen
in all 50 states.
In all 50 states. Yeah, and you know what? The highest diabetes mortality rates are in red states. 14 out of the 15 states with the highest diabetes mortality are red states. So this is affecting everybody in America. It doesn't matter whether you're red or blue or purple. Biology is bipartisan. Heart disease, cancer, dementia, diabetes. They don't know who you voted for.